Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we don't have an unboxing, no, we have an update and it's on this little baby, the Vax Blade 2 Max. This is a 40 volt one. There was a 32 volt one out a couple of years ago and I think they've stopped making that one now and they've upgraded it to 40 volt, which is this baby here. And I thought it's about time I gave you an update because we've had it a while now. I've done the unboxing and I'll stick a link in the video at the end in case you want to watch the unboxing. And we gave it a good review back then and I'd like to tell you what I think of it now. But before I tell you anything, I just want to point a couple of things out to you. If you want to buy this, I'll stick some links in the description by the way. I found it best to go to vax.co.uk, go to their own website, because although it's about £1 dearer than say Amazon or eBay, you get a toolkit for free, which is normally £50, this one here. So you get free toolkit worth over £50. Now Vax is actually giving you that as a free gift. If you go to Amazon or even eBay, you're going to have to pay the £50 on top of your price. So that's why I went to Vax. So like I said, I'll stick a link in there. I'll stick a link in there to Vax in case you want to buy it from there. And also I'll put a link in there to Amazon as well in case you decide you want to go there. I mean, by the time you watch this video, it might actually be on there with the toolkit, so you get that free as well, hopefully. But I haven't seen it on there yet, so yeah. Just keep your eyes open. So yeah, so when I first bought this, my wife was dead against using it. She said the motor side was a bit heavy, a bit top heavy, because everything's up here, and it isn't really heavy. I mean, look, yeah. So she found it, said it's a little bit heavy, and I'm quite happy to use the corded vacuum cleaner anyway. I said, well, okay then. I said, why don't you just give it a go and use it on the stairs the same, because you ain't got to keep pulling out the cords. And she said, yeah, I'll give it a go. And she gave it a go, and she hasn't used the other Hoover since, or the vacuum cleaner, I should call it, not Hoover. Yeah, she hasn't used the corded one since. She's been using this, and very pleased with it. It's got a couple of modes on it. It's got normal Hoover speed or power, which is that one there. Then you've got turbo, and then the middle button is your brush, which is the roller brush on the end of there. So yeah, so with that, shall I better tell you what I think of it? I think it's excellent. We're really pleased with it. In fact, I'm pleased that the wife is pleased with it, because £249 is not cheap, is it? And it sits in the hallway, it stays on charge all the time, so it's all ready to go to pull out the lead, the charging lead, and away you go with it. And she's used this, she's done the whole house with it once, and it only used 50% of the battery, which it does say on their website you could do your house twice, and I think that was based on either a 2 or 3 bedroom house, I'm not sure. So I thought, well, normally you think, yeah, all right, you've heard this before, yeah, you can do that twice, and this, that and the other, and 9 times out of 10 you can't. But she actually completely cleaned the whole house with it, and it still had 50% charge on it, so yeah, it was quite impressive. And I think it's a lot more convenient. The fact you haven't got that lead to carry about makes it a lot easier. So with that, does it give you Yorkies thumbs up? Yes, it does. Like I said, we're very pleased with it. It took my wife a little bit of time to convert. I think she converted within a week. And now and again she goes, yeah, it's all right, it's a little bit heavy, but you're using it. Why don't you use the other one then? Well, it's a lot easier. So that's it. So just wanted to share that bit with you. So like I said, I'll stick a link in the description to Vax and to Amazon in case you decide you want to buy one. So with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Ta-da!